It's been about 4 weeks of printing until midnight or 1 in the morning here at Merch Studio, and I'm gonna tell you why. See this big printer that we have here, the Auric 4-head printer? We've had that for about a year now. For the most part, it hasn't worked out for us, because if you can see there, like right now, you see that it's not printing any whites. And if you look at the lines here, I don't know if you can see that, but some of the lines don't have any white on them. And that has been a constant battle for us since the beginning. And we think we might have a solution for that. But I'm not gonna work on that for a little bit. But today, we're waiting on a replacement printer for that.
We bought a third printer for it. The plan is we are going to put that in, set it up so that we increase our capacity and our efficiency again. And while we're doing that, we're going to fix the big printer. I'll explain all the stuff that's happening with it. I've actually documented some of the things that we've already done that haven't worked yet, but that'll be a separate video altogether, like I said. So make sure that you subscribe.
Let's make t-shirts.
Still got it from...
All right, just to let you know, all of this happened around last week of May or something. 3rd week of May, last week of May is when the backup printer got delivered. It is now August 3rd, but we haven't fixed the big printer yet. We're probably gonna have to replace the printouts on that along with the white ink line, but that's a different story. Let's get back to this one.
Still got it from DTF Superstore because, man, I'm telling you, when it comes to customer service, nice.
Yeah, it is. Still stuck? Oh boy, printer slipped on one side. Oh man, you doing all right? Oh, I think it's good enough.
Yeah, it's working. Wait. Up. Hindi na kuha pagbaba ko.
Go for it.
Namatay go.
A warehouse?
House or is house? No, it's house.
It's
oh my
house.
goodness.
Yeah. Well, we got it sorted out, so we're good. Thank you, guys. It's here. It's gonna be a couple of days of putting it together and calibration and all that, but I'm just happy it's here.
All right, take care.
Thank you.
Well, the thing is, it's kind of cloudy today.
I'm kind of worried that the rain. Not. Lunch is done, it was good. Now we're gonna bring in that printer. So here's the plan. Number 1. Get some ibuprofen, because my gout's acting up. Where my Filipinos at? Gout. Next, while keep the size working, printing over here, we are going to remove all of that insulation, get this printer out, and back in the other way, and in this way, bring it over there. At the dining area. Then we're gonna take this crate apart, bring the printer down, get it into the garage, and once we're done with that, take a good long nap before we calibrate and put it together. Or before we put it together and calibrate it. I'm feeling lonely! Here's the big challenge for this printer, is that when we first had it, it was shaking back and forth just because of the speed of the carriage. But so what we did was we mounted it on with a 4x4 and 2x4. And so now we have to put it down again so that we can roll it. Let's do it. Hey. Woo. Where's the guy messed up? Man, the super moms are strong. You ready, mama? We're taking it out. Here we are. Let's do it. I'm pretty tired, so I'm trying to be energetic for the video, but dang, I'm tired. All right, here's a big reveal. All right, there you go. Like I said, I still got this from DTF Superstore. And this one is a Mongoose 2, a 2-head printer. Got some bunch of stuff there, but what we need to do is take off all of that, all the framing, and then take it out, bring it down, and then bring it over that way. And then we get to nap. All right, I just changed camera, so if the video's weird or wonky or whatever, that's why. But we are here outside now. It's about, what is it, 4 p.m. right now? And here's our thing. We gotta get this thing down from here. And I've taken all the supports out and we just need to bring it down. But right now there's just Anne and me, and Supermom Sai is in there and she's printing. So we'll see how this goes. See, this is why you need to be in a shop, in an actual shop with a forklift. Because then this is hard. Huwag ka lumuhod, huwag ka lumuhod.
Madatay ko.
Dili ka sa babaw mo.
Madatay ko.
Dili ka sa taas, tagapugong. Ikaw kay malingkod ka, naon mo. Okay, babay mo. Batayan mo ba ha? Okay.
Yeah. No.
Ibutanin mo dali yung ulo.
Dali ano ba?
Okay, go. Woo! Iba, nakababa tayo, di pa? Ma, biraha! Birahan! Dada!
Isa.
Woo! That was crazy. That was crazy. All right, we got it down. Now we're gonna bring it inside. Oh, kids, don't try this at home. Oh man, that is that for now. Hit the side, how do we do?
Free gym.
We did with free gym. Oh, free workout today. You want water? Okay, so here it is. There right now. And I will leave it there for now. I'm gonna take a shower, take a nap, and see if I can worry about this tonight. In the meantime, Kasai, Aslin, Mama working on the wood outside. Probably gonna come vlog and help her out first before I sleep, before I shower and nap. But I'm pretty happy. We have our backup in here. Next video is gonna be us setting it up, calibrating and doing all that stuff, and we'll document every single piece of that so that y'all can learn from that video as well. Well, I got nothing else to say, so that's it for today. Let's make t-shirts.